Class 10th Geography Chapter Transport. Today we will study the chapter Transport. In this chapter we will study about importance of transport system, modes of transport, roadways, railways, airways, waterways, its advantages and disadvantages. Let's begin with the chapter. Today we will study about the first part of this chapter. Importance of transport. Transport system of a country refers to the different means which carry men and material from one place to the other. It helps in the development of trade, commerce and industry. Transportation facilitates the movement of goods from producers to consumers and vice versa. If agriculture and industries are supposed to be the body of the country, transportation may be said to be the nerves and veins of the economy. Hence, means of transport have played a vital role in the development of a country. Economic benefits. Transport system has helped in the growth of industrial and agricultural production in the country. It has been transporting raw materials and labours to the places of production and finished products to different parts of the country and abroad. It helps in promoting foreign trade of the country. It promotes tourism. It helps in expanding the market both on the domestic and international front. Transport is the backbone of a country's economy as they unite people from one corner of the land to the other corner. They help in agricultural and industrial development of the country. Social benefits. Transport helps to create employment opportunities. It is mostly due to the transport that people are able to commute to their workplace every day. Developed means of transport help in the expansion of education even in remote areas of the country. It provides mobility to the teachers and students. Means of transport bring together people living in different parts of the country. Means of transport has reduced the distance between cities and villages. Villagers are able to avail employment opportunities in the cities. Modes of transport, roadways. Roads are more significant in India as compared to railways as they provide door-to-door service. The social and economic progress of the country depends on the development of road network. Roadways are considered more important than any other means of transportation as they facilitate long distance travel. Roads can be constructed on high altitude areas and steep slopes. Roads are cheapest means to connect villages with urban areas. Advantages of road transport. Roads are the cheapest means of communication and track and link villages to urban areas. Construction of roads can be undertaken in the remote areas and difficult terrain, high altitudes and steep slopes. Roads provide door-to-door service. Thus, cost of transport is reduced considerably. Roads are safer means of transport for perishable commodities like fruits, vegetables and milk from villages to the urban centers. The role of roads is most important in the economic development of the country. Roads provide a link between railway stations and ports. They help in transportation of goods and agricultural and industrial products or raw materials. Disadvantages of road transport. Unmetalled roads and their poor maintenance. Most of the roads in the villages are unmetalled and badly maintained. Waterlogging is a common problem during rainy season. Traffic jams due to lack of order are very common. Lack of roadside amenities along the roads, that is, like repair shops, first aid, telephone booths, rest houses, are lacking, which are essential for long distance routes. Shortage of funds result in poor maintenance of the roads. Damaged roads cause a lot of inconvenience to the public. Government policies. There is no stable government policy for regulation of construction and maintenance of the roads. Although the road tax varies from state to state, every few kilometers there is a toll tax or a check post causing unnecessary delay and limitation to the public. Roads are very important means of transport and need to be regularly repaired with proper milestone, instruction boards and traffic regulations to avoid reoccurring accidents and inconvenience caused to general public. Problems faced by road transport. Most of the roads are not safe for running a heavyweight vehicle because of their poor maintenance. This problem aggravates especially during the rainy season. Another problem is the multiple toll tax, counter and check posts, which bring down the speed of the vehicles, waste time and create problems for transporters. We will end this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.